It is Scarlet Night here aboard Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady, and this video is going to be a little bit different from my typical cruise vlogs. Scarlet Night was extremely loud, so there wasn't really much point of trying to talk while everything was happening. Even if I was talking, y'all probably would not have heard a word I said. I'm gonna pop in a couple times throughout the video to give you guys a little bit more information about Scarlet Night, then I'll get out of the way and let you guys experience Scarlet Night the way I did. Alright y'all, so here's the SIP Lounge. So they have the SIP Lounge transformed as well for Scarlet Night. I mean it's Shipwide, they have it completely transformed for Scarlet Night. So let's go over here to the photo booth, take a couple pictures. Alright, so okay, so they do have photo booths set up all around the ship. This camera won't come on. But yeah, they do have photo booths set up all around the ship, so if you guys want to take a photo, you can. You can just send it to your email at no additional charge. Scarlet Night is Virgin Voyages' signature ship-wide celebration. It's not a traditional cruise ship theme party where everything happens in one location. There are performances, dancers, music, and other pop-up events happen throughout the ship, mainly around decks 6 and 7, before everything eventually moves up to the pool deck. There's also a loose storyline involving the octopus goddess, but you do not have to understand the entire story to enjoy the night. You can follow the cast around the ship and become a part of the experience, or you can simply find a good spot and watch everything happen. Wearing red is strongly encouraged, but there isn't a strict dress code. You can wear something casual, dress up all the way, or add a little red to whatever you're already planning to wear. I would also recommend wearing comfortable shoes because you may spend a lot of the night standing, walking, and trying to follow the action. The exact schedule can change depending on the ship and the sailing, so check the Virgin Voyages app once you're on board. If there is a particular performance you want to see, arrive early because the best viewing areas can fill up quickly. I started my Scarlet Night experience at the Roundabout, where I watched almost the entire performance. The Roundabout is one of the main gathering points for the evening, and it gives you a good introduction to the music, characters, and overall energy of Scarlet Night. I'm going to let this section play mostly as it happens so you can get a better idea of what the performance actually feels like.
first superlative award, the Slave of Course Award. This goes out to the sailor who was slaying down Scarlet Night following all the red criteria. Let's give it up for Carney! Award. This goes to the sailor who looks like they just walked out of the office, but they look hot. So let's give it up for Ron! Looking good on happy Scarlet Night. All right, our final superlative award, the Naughty Sailor Award. Can we get it? That's exactly how it sounds. Which is hardcore resilient. Let's give it up for Emma! Naughty, naughty. Beautiful. That's so nice. Alright. Now the moment we've really all been waiting for. Our best dressed competition. So let's bring out these ones. Yes, come on down. Right on out here. Let's go. The dogs. Give me applause.
After the performance, we walked through the ship to see what else was happening. That is one thing you should know about Scarlet Night. You probably will not see everything. Different performances and activities may be happening at the same time, so don't stress yourself out trying to follow a perfect schedule. Pick the things that interest you, explore the ship, and enjoy whatever you happen to find. We eventually made our way to the dock, where we sat down for a little while and used the Virgin Voyages app to shake for champagne. Shake for Champagne was included with the Splash of Romance package my cousin purchased for our cabin. You open the Virgin Voyages app, physically shake your phone, and the secret Shake for Champagne button appears. Once you place the order, Virgin will deliver the bottle to you wherever you are on the ship. We decided to use ours during Scarlet Night and had the bottle delivered to us at the dock. This gave us a chance to sit down, have some champagne, and recharge before heading up to the biggest party of the night. If you want to know everything else that came with the Splash of Romance and whether I think the package is actually worth it or not, I have a full review coming to the channel next week, or if you're watching it far in the future, it should be the next video after this one. I'll have it linked down in the description box below. So no matter where you come on Virgin Voyages or Scarlet Night, there will be something going on at each venue, is what it seems like. So you guys seen that there was a party from forward to aft. So yeah, it is. There is something going on everywhere on this ship. Let's take a look at the wake, y'all. All right, y'all. We're gonna shake for champagne. Here we go. Go ahead.
Let's see. All right, let's.
Oh Lord.
Okay, we be trying. Ooh, my little dirty phone. Let's see. All right, let's see. Let's see. Feeling bubbly?
Here we go.
Let's see what they tell me.
Okay, so stay put. It's on the way. So we're gonna see how long that takes, y'all. Scarlet Night eventually moves up to the pool deck for the main deck party, weather permitting. This is the part most people picture when they hear about Scarlet Night. There are dancers, performances, music, and eventually people dancing and sometimes jumping into the pool. If you want to be close to the action, arrive before the party officially begins. The area around the pool can get crowded very quickly. Also, if you plan on getting into the pool, wear something you don't mind getting wet. Even if you stay out of the water, there is still a chance you could get splashed depending on where you stand.
Where is it? Wait, not there. No, maybe the other way. Oh, it's that way. I see it now.
And that was my Scarlet Night experience aboard Virgin Voyages. I didn't participate in every activity or catch every performance, but I enjoyed walking around, watching the Roundabout performance, having our splash of romance, champagne at the dock, and ending the night off at the pool deck party. Scarlet Night can be whatever you want it to be. You can follow the performers around the ship, dance until the after party ends, jump into the pool, or simply stand back and watch everything unfold. If you're sailing with Virgin Voyages, pack something red, check the schedule in the app, and don't feel pressure to experience the night a certain way. If you enjoyed coming along with me, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 1,000 followers, so if you've been watching but haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to officially join us. You can also check out the rest of my Virgin Voyages series for more videos from this sailing. And if you need help planning and booking your own Virgin Voyages cruise, you can find my travel inquiry form in the description. I would like to thank you guys all for watching, and until next time, hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'm wishing you safe and happy travels. Bye.